Hi friends, my name is Jenna. I'm a girl who practically lives out of a suitcase. Recently, I traveled to Budapest, Bratislava, and Vienna to experience the world-renowned European Christmas markets. We're on our way to the Czech Republic, but before we leave Austria, we're going to make a brief stop in the town of Krems, known for its quaint pastel buildings and wine. Come travel with me. On this 4-country-long European road trip across the Danube, we stopped at the town of Krems. This little hidden gem is something that I feel like everyone should stop by if you're visiting Vienna and Prague in the same trip. This beautiful town is one of the oldest in Austria, dating back to the year 995. And what's crazy to me is that pastel buildings like this are something tourists would line up for hours or even wake up super early for, but there were absolutely zero tourists other than my tour group here. We took a little walking tour with a local to discover what Krems is all about, how they make wine, and look at some of the beautiful medieval churches that are in the city. Krems is situated on a hilltop, so the walk was strenuous, but the views were perfect. We were on the way to this famous church in Krems, built in the 12th century and then refurbished in the Baroque style in the 16th century. We were able to go inside this gorgeous church, and my favorite part on the inside was this intricately designed organ. On the outside, a lot of the original paintings are still preserved, but one of the most interesting parts of the outside of the church, in my opinion, is this staircase that the parishioners would walk up from their homes. After exploring the church and a few of the little buildings around it, we took one last look at the gorgeous views from the hilltop and then started down to get into the city. Krems definitely gives poor provincial town like Beauty and the Beast style. Of course, Krems is known for its wine, so we had to stop into one of the wineries. It was this little cellar, it was the cutest little thing, and the wine was so good. We were given a little charcuterie board with our wine, and this little meat star thing is delicious. It's actually only available during Christmas. Sadly, we had to say goodbye to Krems, but my group stocked up on snacks, including these apricot jelly cookies. Krems is actually known for apricot, so I also bought an apricot liquor, which I love. We, of course, pit stopped in McDonald's before heading to the Czech Republic. There is one more stop on this European Christmas market tour, so be sure to follow along for more.